Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio for the last commercial this video because it's amazing. Look at that. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and I have a new ROM for you. This is the update of this amazing ROM. Can you see this? What is this? This is Noble ROM 2.3. I want to add it for 2.4 right now. Maybe it's security patch level. Are you ready? To do this, you need to install TWRP, and on the description you will see a link to download this ROM and install on Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. Only for the free devices. Okay? Thank you. Before doing this, let me show you something. Bro, if you want to make donation to my YouTube channel, to support my channel, to support my work, it's possible to do right now. Look at, you can see under this video, think. This is think. When you click on think, you have access to all of this. You can see things GNANGSTUDIO 4D buy a super things. Can you see this? And you can directly give me something to support our channel. You can see everything here and you can click on buy and send and it's done. Wow, this is amazing to support our channel, and thank you bro, thank you brother for everything. Now let's talking about this ROM. I installed this ROM 1 month now, and look at how it look like. It's so beautiful, nice and good. Okay, nice. Look at how it look like. This is a theme that I installed before. Now great, as you can see, I download this ROM, this brand new ROM that I want to install with you. The link in the description. You can see Noble ROM 2.4 for 9 S99 S9 Note 9 S9 Plus. Okay, Note 9 S9 S9 Plus. Okay, now I want to install this. Make sure that you have charged your phone. Okay, charge your phone and install TWRP. When it's done, let's turn off this phone. Hold power button. Okay, volume down and power button. Power off. And get ready to install this ROM right now. Are you ready? Get ready. Okay, if you install TWRP, let's select volume up, BSB button and power button in the same time. BSB button, volume up and power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? This is what you need to install first. Wow, can you see this? Beautiful. I have a version 3.6.1. 9. Beautiful. Now I'm ready to install this. I can click directly install and localize my ROM that I have copied directly in my internal storage. And we go. As you can see, it's selected. Very nice. Let's open. Okay, here you have more information about this ROM. Okay, as you can see, security patch level June 2022. Okay, I think that this is the new one, the new version. And you can see change log, what you will see in this ROM when you install this on your phone. Every update here. Can you see this? Optimization and better performance. Maybe. Okay, now let's click on next, and you can start to install this ROM right now. You can make a choice. I'll choose clean install. Now click on next. Next again for me, you have advanced seed deployed. You can make your choice. I want to choose this for clean install. Now click on next. Next again, you can see choose what you want to enable. Camera during call, camera shutter. I want to enable call recorder, which is important for me. Call blocking also, and click on next. After this, select okay BCP, what you want to do with BCP pattern. Okay, take screenshot. This is cool for me. Click on next. Okay, magics, everything what you want to install. I have S21 boot animation. I want Noble boot animation for something new. Samsung emojis. I want iOS 15 emojis. And what next? And the installation process started. As you can see, this is not a joke, brother. Okay, wait a few minutes for 100% here. Okay, great. It cannot take time right now. Wait. Don't forget to click on share. You can also make donation with super thing. Click on things under this video and you follow my instruction. Thank you for that. Thank you for support our channel and God bless you. Don't forget your like also. This is my keyboard. This is my keyboard. Look at that. Super fast process. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the word here done. Okay, now click on next. Do this reboot system and what? Wait few minutes. Wow, look at this boot animation from Noble ROM. This is cool. This is something new, something better. And you can see this LED. Okay, when you see this LED appear here, the process started. Installation process started. Wait a few minutes again. Okay, don't worry. Wow, look at how it's so beautiful. Welcome. Now you can start configuring your phone. Are you ready? Okay, let me do this right now and show you something new. Okay, you're all set up. Now click on finish. Welcome back. Okay, let's see more information about this new one. Okay, and what? Boom! Android security path level, June 1st, 2022. And this is Noble ROM 2.4. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. It's done. 104.1 is here and Android 12 ROM is back. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. Okay, get ready for the next video, the test review of this amazing ROM. just to see if it's working or something. Are you ready? Get ready. Remember, you can make donation with things under this video. Thanks for watching.